Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be playing in some makeup. So let's go. So I'm going to be starting off by moisturizing my lips, and when doing so, yes, I put my entire lips in the jar because guess what? It's mine. Yes. Okay, so now we're going to use a spoolie and we're going to be combing our brows. Now we need to brush the gods because I need to get my brows done. So now we're going to be using a brown pencil to outline our brows to, make them sharp. Make them sharp, honey, make them sharp. So now I'm going to be using a black pencil and I'm going to be using it at the tail of my brows. I do this to have an ombre effect. This is my preference. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I like the way it looks. I'm now going to be using my spoolie to blend the two pencils, the black and the brown, into my eyebrows. I'm now going to conceal my brows using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. To conceal the top of my brows, I mix the concealer with my foundation. The foundation I use is the L'Oreal True Match in the color Cappuccino, which is N8. I'm now adding some concealer to my lids in preparation for my eyeshadow. Yay! I'm now going to use the palette The Festival by Juvia's, and the color that I'm using is Irie G. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, but yeah. viewers, if you see me keep looking to the sides, that's because I have a mirror down there. I need two mirrors because I'm extra. I'm now going to cut my crease with some concealer and one of these sharp brushes. One of these, these brushes. Now, this is my first time cutting a crease, so do not come for me in the comment section because your girl was trying. She tried. So from my BH Cosmetics palette, there is a softer pink color. That's what I'm going to be using to apply to the crease that I just chopped. Not cut, I chopped the crease. So I'm going back to the Festival by Juvia's and I'm going to be using Irie G to put in the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to do the next eye. So I applied my lashes off camera because I tried to record it and I glued my eyes shut about 10 times and nobody wants to see that. So I'm going to take this pink vibrant color again and I'm going to apply it underneath my eye. Be careful because I got it in my eye and nobody wants that. I'm now going to prime my face with my Rimmel primer. And now it's time for foundation. Now my lash was being very disrespectful because I don't understand why I'm sneezing and my lash is falling off. The disrespect, y'all, the disrespect. Now I'm going to be doing some highlighting and contouring. I'm now going to set my face with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. Now I'm lining my lips with a brown pencil. Then I'm going to be using this nude pink lipstick from AOA. Now it's time to remove the setting powder with my powder brush. I'm now going to use this pressed powder to set the rest of my face. Alright, so I didn't realize that you could not see the color that I am going to choose. Basically, I'm using a brown color from my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using that to contour my cheekbones. So now we are going to highlight our face because we want to glow, honey. We want to glow. And now for the final result. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.